Hello, and welcome to Temple of Health, where we talk about everything health related. If you find the information in this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to. The keto diet has been around for a long time. This diet plan was brought to light in the early 1900s and was and is utilized for treatment for epilepsy. As the years have gone by, it has become increasingly well known that this diet plan, whilst being used for treatment purposes, may be helpful in areas for weight loss. When this became apparent, the diet itself has more recently been utilized for these purposes. After many years of this being the case, those who have stuck to the diet have recorded and claimed this diet to have profoundly wonderful effects on weight loss. This factor, combined with its easily applicable aspects, makes this diet plan an effective weight loss tool that anyone can utilize. With that being said, what makes this diet so effective? And why has this diet produced such a high success rate? This can be attributed to its ability to effectively and efficiently trick the body into burning fat for fuel as opposed to any other fuel source. In this video, I'm going to present and discuss exactly why this diet plan is so effective for weight loss alongside any other important factors. So, how is the diet formulated? The keto diet is any given diet plan that consists of a huge reduction of both carbohydrates and sugars. This meal plan can be put together to match anyone's needs just as long as the meal plan involves a complete reduction of carbs and sugars. This means you can consume as much fat, protein, vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients you wish just as long as the carbs and sugar sources remain low. So with that being said, to further enhance your chances of success with this diet plan, you will have to opt for the correct food sources. Since you'll be restricting the body of sugars and carbs, the other food sources you consume will need to be nutritionally dense foods. These foods should be packed with nutrients and will ensure further success if they are tasty. The complete restriction of carbs and sugars will have you craving sugary foods like crazy. While these feelings will go away as time passes, the urges to gorge on deemed unhealthy foods will most certainly be very hard to resist. This is why incorporating tasty, nutritionally dense food sources should be opted for. So how does the diet plan work? During the first weeks of this diet, the lack of carbs and sugars will cause a huge reduction in blood sugar levels. This reduction in blood sugar levels combined with complete and utter lack of available dietary sugars will force the body to break down the body's fat cells for energy. The body may break down and utilize the stored fat cells for fuel, but this fuel source isn't typically good enough for the body. This is precisely why the body will draw ketones from the liver for an additional source of more reliable energy. Ketones are a group of acids produced in the liver. So in times of emergency, the body will draw the ketones out of the liver and use them as an energy source. This rise in ketones is an inevitable yet non-essential weight loss aspect to this diet, meaning the ketones themselves have absolutely nothing to do with the weight loss that occurs throughout this diet. The weight loss that actually occurs through this diet plan, as mentioned earlier, is attributed to the breaking down of fat cells. This breaking down of fat cells is a direct factor that results from the lack of energy sources provided through the diet. So to conclude this video, the complete and utter restriction of dietary carbohydrates and sugars force the body to break down the stored fat on your body. This is a continuous process, meaning every day that you proceed with this diet is another day accompanied by weight loss. While the elevated ketone levels may be specified, they are not a causer for weight loss and typically provide no value other than an energy source for your body. All in all, the weight loss attributed to this diet is a result of lack of dietary carbs and sugars. This incredibly effective weight loss strategy can be implemented at any time, and when done properly, it will demonstrate rapid weight loss as you've never seen. So, if you would like a custom keto diet designed for your specific needs and goals for weight loss, click the link in the description box below. And as always, I'll see you next time.